Welcome to Great Mats TV. Today I'm going to talk about home gym flooring. So the first thing to consider is what is on the surface right now. Is it concrete? Am I in my garage? Is it hardwood? Is it carpet? Tile? Am I covering something up? Etc. So we can go through these one at a time. So if you're looking at carpet, probably the best option is going to be to go with one of our modular tiles, especially the Stay-Lock modular tile that goes very well right over carpet. The huge benefit is that the Stay-Lock is a PVC material and it's kind of in between foam and rubber in the hardness category. And you can install it right over carpet. You can put in your home gym. Many customers are very happy with this option, so we feel like it's a good selection. The reason Stay-Lock floor tiles over carpet works really well is because the understructure of this floor tile is not flat. It's got kind of some negative space in there, and there's many feet, and it sits right down in carpet and stays flat. And the other thing about this tile, because of the name Stay-Lock, the interlocking design basically holds each tile together. There's a little bit of a trick around installation when installing over a not completely hard flat surface, but that's easy to do. On concrete surface, you can really install whatever kind of flooring you want. So the next question is, am I going to be dropping weights? Am I going to be putting in exercise equipment, or do I want to do floor exercises? Am I going to be stretching? Am I going to be doing aerobics? And so if you're going to be doing more on the aerobic side, many customers are going to go with a high density interlocking foam tile, such as our Home Sport and Play. And you could also put exercise equipment, light exercise equipment on this flooring. The exercise equipment will most likely leave an indentation in the foam, but it won't really hurt the foam. With rubber flooring, which is very common, one of the most economical options is our 4 by 10 foot 1/4 inch thick black rubber roll. Otherwise, an interlocking floor tile, which we stock in a 3/8 inch, which is thick enough for 95% of home gyms. And you can drop up to 80 pounds on 3/8 inch interlocking rubber tiles over concrete and you're just fine. Many people think they need a thicker rubber, whether it's 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch for whatever reason. Maybe they were doing research on the internet. But honestly, unless you're dropping 150 to 200 pounds, you really don't need 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch rubber flooring. If you do want 3/4 inch interlocking rubber, supply is somewhat limited. We do have a 2x2 interlocking. When you look at a 4x6, you have to consider transportation and how it's going to get to your door. Freight can be very expensive. Any freight that goes to a residence, we're pretty much going to require liftgate. And right there, all that included, probably the minimum is at least $350 just for the freight side of this equation. So when you're doing 120 square foot or 200 square foot home gym flooring, freight becomes a very high percentage of the overall cost with 3/4 inch rubber mats.